our hip floss. So I am gonna have my hands right on my hip bone. My back leg is gonna be kind of like a kickstand, so all my weight is on my front leg. And I'm gonna move my hips forward and backward, side to side, rotating in and rotating out, and then around in a circle clockwise and around in a circle counterclockwise. And I'll do this on both sides. So for my hip cars, I'm gonna pull my knee up towards my chest, out to the side, rotate my foot up towards the ceiling, and then bring it around and back, slow and controlled. And then I'll do the opposite direction. So pick it up towards the ceiling, out towards the side, around and back. Trying not to move my back, but trying to isolate that motion right at my hip joint.
Okay guys, drill number 1 is going to be a low load hip bridge march. So we're going to use our hamstrings to control our pelvic tilt, and then we're going to challenge our kind of lateral and rotational stability as well as anterior to posterior. Okay, so what we do is we lay on the back, we're going to do a low bridge. So I engage my hamstrings to lift my pelvis and my butt. All right, this is my position that I want to hold. I'm either going to go hands on the floor or hands up in the air, depending on how much or if I need stability help. And then I'm going to march my feet, going 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? You'll feel the stability effort as you raise the foot. It's important to go slowly so we don't have a rapid switching. Okay? We maybe want to do 20 reps, 2 sets. You can either use it as in a warm-up or in a circuit anywhere, but this was a good one to do every day if possible. Our low bridge with march was more of a posterior chain exercise for controlling pelvic position using our hamstrings. We're going to now work on the front, so the hip flexors, and using the quads as hip flexors to work on maintaining the pelvic position. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first we're going to figure out where are we. So I'm going to bring my leg up. I like to reference my waistband, so if I can see pretty flat front to back, I like it. I'm going to hold it for a second, just try to feel that, switch it. Hold it, okay? It's not a bad thing if you have to watch yourself in the mirror, do this a couple times. You'll start to feel where it is, but you do like to have that little point of reference. I like to go for about a minute. Maybe I'll do this like 2 by 1 minute at the beginning of a training session, kind of as a hip warm up and kind of set my pelvic position. Or I like to do it like on any kind of endurance day, just somewhere in a circuit.